back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this half up, half down style quick weave. I have flattened this and then I got this braided. So like in the back you could put like 4 to 5 braids. It don't really matter. But as long as it's enough braids where your hair not coming up. So I'm just parting my hair on the side and flattening it so it can be pressed out when I put the edge control in there, and it's gonna be laid down flat instead of with the curls in it. So with the oil, I'm just putting that in the back of my braids so my braids can have some type of oil in it when I put the cap and stuff over it. So you can use any type of oil of your choice. You can go to a dollar store or any store to get some oil. So now I'm just putting a cap on, and I'm about to spray some got to be glue on the back of my hair so that when I put the glue on the cap, it don't get into my hair. So I'll spray like 4 to 5 layers of got to be glue spray on the back of my cap. I'll keep spraying it until it get like hard, and then that's when I know it's ready to put the glue on top of the cap. So you can get this glue from any local beauty supply around you. I got mine for $1 in my beauty supply. I don't know how much they cost at your beauty supply, but I know they cheap. So another thing I learned about doing a glue in is the ear to ear method. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going one ear to the next ear, and later in the video you're gonna see that I needed a little help because some pieces was longer on one side than the other side. So yeah. So I had to call my sister in to help me because I couldn't see in the back and it was getting too hard for me. So like what she doing is she putting it one side to the other side, and then she cutting it, and then she put the glue on top of the she glued the track to my hair, and then she go all the way up to the top of the cap. So what you seeing her do now is she's cutting the excess cap off. So she's wherever the part of your head that splits the half up, half down, that's where you cut the cap at. And when you cut the cap, make sure you can see the part in your head. So y'all, let me tell y'all what happened in this video because this was so crazy. I was late for work, y'all. Almost late for work, and I was trying to hurry up and do my hair while my sister was trying to do the back. Oh my god, y'all. So yeah, if y'all see me moving a little fast, that's the reason. Okay, so now I spritzed everything down, laid everything down. Now I'm just making sure I put a tight ponytail at the top of my head, as you can see now. And I'm just pressing it down, making sure everything's flat. All the baby hairs and all the extra hairs are laid down. And I'm just putting a braid on top of my head, and I'm gonna fold it and put some rubber bands on there so it can stay standing up. And then I'm gonna add a wrap on top of the ponytail, and I'm gonna do it over again. So now I'm gonna wrap this thing, the wrap around my head, and you can get this wrap from any local beauty supply. It's like, I think like $3 or $5 because it come with a whole bunch in there. But when y'all wrapping this thing around y'all head, make the wrap around y'all head, make sure y'all wrap this all around all your hair, so no glue get on your hair and pull your real hair out. So now I'm just wrapping my ponytail up as close as I can to each other so the ponytail can be full. Because at first, y'all, I thought I was about to run out of hair. And now what y'all see me doing now is I'm finna wrap the ponytail. And this like the next day, I promise. This is like the next day, y'all. So what I'm doing is I'm wrapping it and I'm putting a got to be glue spray and I'm molding it down. And then I'm wrapping it some more, put some more got to be glue spray and mold it down. I'm using the She's Bomb Edge Control. So yeah, it kind of turned my edges white first, like that. Where your edge is at, like right there. And then I do it on the same side, part it, and then bring it down like that. And I'm gonna do some edges right here too, cause I wasn't gonna do that at first, but I might as well do it. So yeah. So yeah. And I just grab this and I go like that, put it right there. And then I put some right here. And then, okay, so you go down with your finger like this. And as you swoop up, you put your finger right there. So, finger right there and swoop up. So go down and swoop up like that. And there you go, girl. And then I don't be trying to pull out a lot of hair right here, but I do that like this and I put it right there. So you put your finger right there and you go like this. Okay. Just bring everything else back. Get some spray. Put that right there so it can stay dry.